Hi there and welcome. In today's tutorial, we're going to walk you through how to set up your own payment gateway to start receiving direct booking payments right from your booking engine page. Now, why do hotels integrate their own payment gateways? It's simple. It allows them to receive payments directly, cut down on third-party fees, and confirm bookings faster. Plus, it gives better control over transactions and creates a more seamless, trustworthy experience for guests. All right, let's dive in. First, log into your Bookingjini channel manager. From the left-hand menu, click on Booking Engine. Next, go to the Payment Gateway tab. Now click the Add button at the top right. You'll see a list of payment gateways available for integration. Choose the one you'd like to use and then click on the Setup tab. Here, you'll need to enter your live key and SALT ID. These are provided by your payment gateway provider. Once entered, just make it active, and that's it. You've successfully activated a payment gateway on your booking engine page. If you run into any issues or need help, our support team is always here for you. Contact us on the given details. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other how-to videos right here on the channel. Thanks for watching.